everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look into another Leetcode problem and we'll try to find a swift solution to it. So it says to check a valid palindrome. So what is a palindrome? Palindrome is a given string where when we reverse all the characters of it, it's the same as the original string. So we have input here. Uh, so when the white spaces and the special characters are taken out, this is the string that is formed, and when we reverse this string, it is the same as the original string. So that is why it's a palindrome. So the best approach to solve this is by using two pointer method. So by two pointer I mean that setting one pointer to the start of the string, and that means when we convert that string into the array, set one pointer to the starting index of the array and another pointer to the end index of the array, and we'll keep on comparing that with each other. If we find any if we find anything different, like if the characters are not matching, we'll simply return a false from there. So let's see how we can do it in the code. First we have to check the exit condition or the edge cases. We have to see if the count is greater than 0, else return true. So if the string is an empty string, it should be true, or else even if it's 1, I think even if it's 1, it should be true as well. Okay, because the empty string is a palindrome, because it reads the same, and also even if there is one character, it will be a palindrome, because when you reverse it, it will be same. Okay, so this is our exit condition that we are checking. Let's convert our string into an array, and the other thing that we have to do is we have to remove all the white spaces and any special character that is placed in the string. We can also do it in the loop where we are gonna match with the two pointers, but doing it beforehand makes it much easier to work with the string later. Okay, so let's do that. So we need the string to be lowercase characters, and this is array. This returns lowercase dot array, and we'll filter this array of characters by checking if 0 is letter or is number. So this is how we'll get a array of the string. That is, if we have an input as this without all the spaces, white spaces, and all the special characters, we'll get this as a string, output string, and we'll get an array of that output string characters. Okay, so next we'll need a starting point. Starting pointer, we'll set it to 0 index, and we'll need an end pointer to string array dot count -1. Okay, next we'll be running a while loop where start pointer is less than end pointer. Till the start pointer is less than end pointer, we'll run this while loop, and we'll check if string array of start pointer is not equals to string array of end pointer, then we'll return false. So like I said, if we with these two pointers, if we'll keep on changing the, will keep on incrementing the start pointer and will keep on decrementing the end pointer. And at any point, if these two pointers value doesn't match, then we'll return a false. That means the values are not matching and it is not a palindrome. So this will give us an early exit from the while loop. And next we'll check if it's matching, then we'll increment the start pointer by 1 and will decrement the end pointer by 1. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward, and it's pretty simple example here. And from, if this, while this loop is completed, that means there is no mismatch in the values of the character. So in that case, we'll return a true. Okay, so this is how the palindrome code works, and let's try to run it. See, okay, let's give it another try. Okay, so this test case is passed. Let's try to submit it. This is pretty good, right? Let me show you guys another solution to this problem, and that is like a very few lines of code. Let me comment this out for now. Here. Okay, so we'll use the same count is greater than equals to 1, else return true. Okay, and next will be, we'll convert the same as above, lowercase, and then we'll filter it out, $0 dot is letter, or $0 dot is number, and we have the final array. Then we'll simply return string dot reversed, that this one after reversing is equal to string dot st. That means we have to check if when it's reversed this is equal or not, and return the bool accordingly. So this is just 2-line code, and this one runs to, let's see. Yep, it did. Let's see after submitting. So where is the submit button? Okay, here. Okay, so this one works too, and we have both the solution. It's on you guys what you want to use, and it's pretty good to know both of these solutions. Since this is a one-liner, it is pretty feasible to use it, and we can also showcase our like more knowledge in the Swift and how it works in the interview. So I think this is it for today's video. Hope you guys like my video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.